Imagine standing in front of a vehicle so massive, so futuristic, that it instantly challenges everything you thought a motorhome could be. This is the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome, a rolling palace worth nearly $5 million. And today, we're not just looking at it, we're stepping into an entire lifestyle on wheels. So stay with me, because what you're about to see doesn't feel like an RV tour. It feels like entering a luxury penthouse that just happens to move. From the very first glance, this giant demands your attention. The Scania front fascia is bold, wide, and sculpted like a premium supertruck. The chrome detailing across the grille reflects the showroom lights like polished silver. The massive double-height windshield almost looks like something from a futuristic transport vehicle in a sci-fi movie. And the stance? Well, it sits on a 6x6 drivetrain, meaning 6 wheels, full power, and maximum traction whether you're crossing desert roads, snowy landscapes, or smooth highways. Moving along the side, the scale becomes even more dramatic. The motorhome stretches like an actual luxury bus, but the finish is more like a private jet. Clean panels, seamless windows, and a full-body metallic paint that gives off a premium mirror shine effect. The lower windows belong to the main living floor, while the long strip of upper glass reveals the private suite area on the second deck. Even at this point, you can tell this isn't built for campgrounds. This is built for billionaires who want home-level comfort anywhere in the world. Now let's step inside. And this is where the video becomes truly unbelievable. As the automatic door slides open, warm golden lighting pours out, inviting you into a world completely different from the cold exterior. The floor is finished in high-gloss marble tiles. Soft LED strips run along the walls, giving the interior a gentle aircraft lounge glow. On the right, a massive living space opens up with leather seating, premium stitching, and reclining sections that can turn into a full-length lounge bed. The windows stretch almost end-to-end, filling the space with natural light, but they're laminated with heat block technology so the cabin stays cool even under direct sunlight. Opposite the seating area, there's a giant smart TV embedded cleanly into the wall panel. Below it is a hidden sound system with studio-grade clarity. And yes, the entire motorhome is voice-controlled. From lighting to temperature to blinds, everything responds to your command. Moving forward, the kitchen area looks better than what most homes have. High-end induction cooking surfaces, an oven, a microwave, a full-size refrigerator, deep storage drawers, and smooth closing cabinets. Everything is finished in glossy white and stainless steel. Next comes the dining lounge and a gorgeous table setup with premium seating for 4. The table isn't just a table. It's hydraulic. With a tap, it lowers itself and transforms the space into another sleeping area. That means on long trips, even guests can sleep comfortably without entering the upper deck. Now, as we walk deeper into the vehicle, we move toward the first bathroom. And this is not a tiny RV bathroom. This is a full luxury washroom with standing shower space, glass door partition, high-pressure shower heads, and a designer sink setup. Marble tone walls create a spa-like environment. Just before the stairs, there's a concealed storage room, perfect for luggage, cleaning items, or travel gear. Now let's head upstairs. The staircase itself is beautifully illuminated with LED strips under each step. As you walk up, it really feels like entering a private upper floor in a luxury apartment. And right at the top is the crown jewel of this entire motorhome, the master suite, the upper deck of the 2026 Scania Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. This is where elegance and comfort meet engineering brilliance. The moment you step onto the upper floor, you're greeted by a panoramic view through the long stretch of windows. They are tinted for privacy, but from the inside, they make the world outside look like a moving cinema. To the left, the master bedroom occupies nearly half the entire deck. A full king-size bed dominates the center, floating slightly above the floor with soft ambient lighting underneath. The headboard is upholstered in premium leather with diamond-stitched detailing. Above the bed, soft ceiling LEDs create a warm glow that feels relaxing and luxurious, perfect for night travel. On the side walls, you'll find touch panel control stations. From here, you can adjust the temperature, dim the lights, raise or lower the blinds, or switch between entertainment modes. A curved smart TV sits opposite the bed, mounted at an ideal eye level, and connected to satellite systems, so you can watch live global channels even while crossing remote locations. Next to the bedroom, there's a private office lounge. This area is designed for Professionals who travel long distances but can't compromise on business. The desk is sleek, with wireless charging USB hubs and hidden storage compartments. Above it, another window provides natural daylight, giving you a calm and focused workspace on the move. As we move forward, we reach the upper deck wardrobe, something you rarely see in motorhomes. This is a full-height closet with sliding doors, LED lighting, and enough space to store formal wear, jackets, bags, and travel essentials. It makes long-term travel feel effortless because everything has a luxurious, organized place. And now we come to the most unexpected part of the upper deck, the second bathroom. Yes, this motorhome has 2 fully equipped bathrooms, and the one upstairs is even more premium. It features a rainfall shower, backlit mirror, ceramic wash basin, and designer fixtures. The ventilation system is powerful and silent, keeping the bathroom fresh even on long journeys. Now step back into the main master suite area, and imagine waking up here. You're parked beside a lake, mountains outside, sunlight filtering softly through the tinted windows, and the entire world silent except for nature. This motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a moving dream home. But the luxury doesn't end here. As we descend the staircase again, we enter the driver cockpit, a section that blends commercial-grade engineering with luxury tech. The driver's seat is air suspended for maximum comfort. The dashboard is fully digital, and navigation integrates GPS with terrain analysis. The vehicle can adjust suspension height automatically, making off-road travel surprisingly smooth for such a large machine. Cameras around the vehicle provide a 360-degree view, making maneuvering this giant surprisingly manageable. The 6x6 system provides power to all 6 wheels, giving this motorhome unmatched stability and control. Whether you're traveling through snow, sand, or steep mountain paths, the Scania ensures a safe and comfortable ride. And now let's talk performance, because luxury means nothing without power. The Scania Double Decker comes equipped with a massive diesel engine designed to pull heavy loads with ease. Even fully loaded, the motorhome accelerates smoothly and maintains highway speeds effortlessly. Fuel tanks and water systems are oversized, allowing long-distance travel without frequent stops. Finally, as we step outside again and take one last look, the vehicle stands like a silent giant. It's not just big and it's majestic, it's bold. It's a statement of engineering excellence and luxury living, a true palace on wheels. If you're watching this and thinking, this can't be real, well, that's exactly how it feels in person.